Today I'm going to show you how I pack French beaded flowers to ship in the mail. Coming up. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Li, author, bead instructor, and designer here at the Bead Flora Studio. If you make French beaded flowers, chances are you want to mail it to a loved one as a gift. Or if someone buys your beaded flowers, you'll need to ship it well too. My friend Shannon bought my beaded winter rose poinsettia sample, and I took advantage of this opportunity to show you how I pack my beaded flowers because I do get that question a lot. But when I went to find the video, it was corrupt, so now it's gone. So I decided to pack this yellow magnolia in its place to show you how I pack beaded flowers to ship. Now let's get on with the video. So as an example, I'm going to pack up my yellow magnolia. This is a pattern that is in my book. And one of the main things that you want to do is to fill in the spaces with tissue paper, newspaper, or something, just so that it doesn't bump around when it is in transit. So I'm going to use tissue paper here, just to fill in the space. And I'm going to fill in the spaces in between here too. You want to fill in all spaces with something. I'm going to turn this around, take a look. I'm just going to put more tissue paper right around this area. I'm going to fill in this space here too. This is a good time to use up all that bubble wrap that you saved up from when you buy stuff online. Like, I'm a hoarder like that because I know I'll probably send flowers at one point, so I save all my bubble wrap. And this is how I also pack my flowers when I take them to, like, when I have classes or event or something like that. I wrap everything in bubble wrap. But, you know, it's COVID times. There's no live classes. I'm not doing anything. Beaten Button show is canceled. I'm just gonna wrap this up with my bubble wrap. Okay, as you can tell, I don't do this often. But when I do, people do receive it in one piece. So there's that. You know what I'm going to do? After I put this in the box, I'm going to throw the box around and open it up later and see how it is. But obviously, your recipient should know how to fix your flowers, reshape your flowers if it becomes out of shape. Also, if you're giving it as a gift, I would suggest don't give it to anyone who won't appreciate your hard work. So that's just how I am now, because some people just don't appreciate the time and effort that you put into handmade things. If you know that they won't appreciate it, just don't give it to them. Buy them something. You know what I mean? Very rarely do I give like my beaded flowers to anyone. I only give it to them if I know they appreciate it. But if they buy them, then you know they'll appreciate it because they're buying it, right? Okay. And I'll be shipping in this medium flat rate USPS box just because, you know, French beaded flowers can be heavy, so just put it in a flat rate box and call it a day. Okay, so I'm going to put, I bent the wire a little bit just so that it fits in the box. And I'm just going to put it in here sideways because that's how it fit. And I'm just going to stuff it with more bubble wrap. Because I have a lot of bubble wrap. I'm a hoarder. Let me know in the comments. Are you also a bubble wrap hoarder? Like when I used to sell my flowers, I actually bought bubble wrap, but now I have like an excess of bubble wrap. Okay. Okay, so that's what we do. And let's close this up. Okay, so this is my studio floor. I'm just going to drop the box. Just throw it. Alright, now let's open it and take a look inside. Hey, look what I got in the mail. Okay. So if you sell your beaded flowers, give instructions to your clients on how to reshape your flowers after they receive it in the mail. Care instructions. It's a little banged up, but that's expected. So all we need to do is shape it again. You really can't expect your flowers to stay in place after it's been mailed and banged up across the state, across the country, across oceans for weeks. If you want to send something as a gift, send something with shorter petals. That way, they will actually stay in place better. I didn't choose a very good flower to mail. But after a little bit shaping, it's good. It's still good. Another thing, I should have planned better. You see that planning thing? I didn't do a very good job. I should have chosen a bigger box so I didn't have to bend my wires there. Do you have any additional tips on how to pack French beaded flowers? Leave me a comment below. So to recap, use the correct size box. Fill in the spaces with bubble wrap or tissue paper. And if you are sending it as a gift, consider sending a flower with shorter petals. If you're new here, welcome, subscribe, and hit the notifications so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Connect with me on social media and join my newsletter. All the links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!